wait a minute. No, just a normal day in the classroom. Michael, can you stop dancing on your desk, please? No, I'm the dance star. Come on. Hey, Michael! What? Stop dancing on your desk. Today you're gonna get your final touch number, I see. Yeah, I know. This is the last time y'all are gonna be with me. I'm gonna miss y'all. Oh, hold on. Where's this next touch going to be? At the park! Seriously? The park? Yeah. We can find some lucky pennies. Come on! I want to go on slides. Okay. Man, that's weird. See, guys, ain't this relaxing? Yes, I do see that it's relaxing. I'll dance over here. Okay. And go feed some birds. Yeah, a penny. Another penny. Another penny. Another penny. Another penny. There's so many pennies. Another penny. Another penny. Another penny. And that's lucky. Wait a minute. I don't know why. 9 plus 2. That didn't work. Hey, 9 plus 1 equals 10. I am 10. I'm lucky. Lucky you, number bird. Thank you. And lucky. Yeah, I know, plush. It's the best day ever. Okay, everyone. I am gonna miss y'all. So I just want to hand out your report cards. Elaine's report card. All A's to a C. Yes. Mona, Luke, here's your report card. A to C. C. That's a whole new world record. Here you go, Dominic. Whoa. Okay. Okay. And Michael. Oh, A's! A's! Yeah, because you answered. We want to thank you. I agree. Bye, everyone. Enjoy y'all's Christmas break. I'm gonna miss them a whole lot. Yeah. That's the end.